Hello everyone and welcome back. So basically we were trying to implement the text field should return function, but somehow it is not working. So we will leave it as it is right now and we will look it later. But now we should build some other parts of our app. So first I will go to my main.storyboard and I will create a new file for my second view controller. So I will just right click here and create new file. Should be a Cocoa Touch class. Hit next and it should be second view controller. Hit next and create the file. Okay, let's remove the code that we don't want. Done. Think we have removed the curly braces. No, it's okay. Done. Okay, now let's create some more files. We want a constant file, so basically it will be a Swift file. Let's name it constants. Okay, now let's add another file which will be the file to store our data for our for every movie or TV series that we search. Okay, so let's name it movie data and save the file. So what I will do is now I will go to view controller and I will implement some functions so that we can go from one view controller to another as soon as we press the search button. So let's go down. This is the search button pressed. Here what we can do is okay, we can do perform segue. This is the function. The identifier which I gave is segue. Let's now the center should be nil. We will implement it later. Now we need to implement a function called perform segue. So here you can do is if segue, actually we will do identifier. Okay, if identifier equal to segue, I think it should be segue dot identifier. Okay, it is working fine. So we will do if let destination equal to segue. Why it is not auto completing? I don't know. Let's build it and see. Okay. Okay, so basically segue is not working somehow. Let's remove this line of code and type this again. If why segue is not auto completing? Oh, we have used the wrong function. Not perform segue. It should be prepare for segue. Prepare for segue. This is the function. Now we will do if segue dot identifier equal to segue, then if let destination equal to segue dot destination as second view controller, because the name of the second view controller is this only. So now what we will do is okay, now we will grab the text field title. Okay, so let's do it like this. If let title equal to title text field dot text as string, then now what we have to do is it's showing some error, so let's see. Okay, we don't have to do this, we can just do it like this because it is already a string. So I think I will remove this line. What I will do is I will just type the name. Let's say let title equal to title text field dot text, and then oh, it is an optional, so let's do it like this. If let title equal to text field dot text. Okay, let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, it's fine. So now what we need to do is first let's hide this warning. Now what we'll do is we'll do destination dot title equal to title. So let's now we need a destination property in the second view controller. So let's create this one. We will do where title of type string. Now I think the error will go. Okay, why it is showing some warnings and errors. So let's see. What is this doing? I don't know. Let's remove this. Let's type where instead of title, let's type title string of type string. Let's save this, and in the first view controller we will do title string. Let's build and check. Okay, there are no errors, it means it is correct. So what we have done is we have successfully transferred the title from first view controller to second view controller. So I think I will print it in the second view controller and check whether it is working or not correctly. Title string. Let's run this app whether it is working fine or not. I think we should not try this because we forgot to do something. So if we go back into our main.storyboard, we forgot to add the class to it. So I will just go to this and I will add second view controller. Oh, not this, this. Now let's build and run this app because otherwise it would crash as we have pressed the search button. So let's now see what it will do. Let me hide the keyboard and I will type. So let's type Game of Thrones and let's press search. Okay, it is done because we are going to the second view controller, but this all data is fake data which we have just inserted from the storyboard. We will just add some functionalities to it in this app so that we can grab it from the API. So I think this is done. Okay, I will just remove this statement because we don't need it anymore. So I think this is enough for this video. So from the next video what we'll do is we will make some data which is a data class for our application which will be used to store our data which will come from the API. So I will see you in the next video where we will build some model of our file. Thank you for watching this video.